Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. I'm Brian Essick, and today's video is all about lighting, and not just any lighting, but inexpensive lighting that anybody can afford, and it's going to make a big difference in your work life. So stay tuned for that. So what I have here is the Gear-Wrench Tools Compact Work Light. So I'm going to put this little work light to work and show you exactly what it can do. And I think it's going to be a great little light for anybody, even if you're just doing DIY stuff, if you're doing camping, working on cars. It's just a really cool little light, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. So this compact light features a floodlight that goes up to 300 lumens on the high setting and 100 lumens on the low setting. It also has a spotlight, or more of a flashlight style light. It comes with a USB-C cord to charge it that you would just plug into any USB port. When the battery is about to die on it, the flashlight or the floodlight will flash like you see here, and that indicates that it needs recharging. So you push the one single button on it multiple times to cycle through the different modes of the flashlight between high, low, or the tip light. Like the name implies, it's compact. So this is a very small light that fits right in the palm of your hand. And that means you're going to be able to stuff it into the engine bay to light up the areas you're working on. It's also made out of composite materials, meaning it's resistant to dust and solvents. So I put this little light to work when I was doing some spark plugs on a Ford van here. So I'm working in the engine bay here, in what they call the doghouse, and you can see how I have to light up everything. It has a magnet here that folds and flexes where you can mount it in places like this. It also has a hook on that magnet there. So if you choose to hook it from something that's non-magnetic like this here, you can still light up the areas, or if you have a magnetic metal surface, you can stick it to something like I got here. And now you can see it's lighting up this cavity here where I'm trying to pull out the ignition coils. And because this light is small and compact, I can slide it underneath the hoses here, and I can get that light exactly where I need it. So if something fell in this spark plug tube here, or the hole here, I needed to get that out, so I needed that light to be in there so I can see exactly what I'm doing to get that spark plug and debris out of there. Here I'm using it underneath the vehicle, shining it up towards the top of the engine bay, illuminating everything I need to see there. In this case, it's helping me set up the timing belt on this car here. One other thing I wanted to mention was the battery life was about 3 to 4 hours of non-stop use, which is pretty awesome for a compact light like this one. So like I said at the beginning of the video, this is an inexpensive light ranging from $25 to $35 depending on where you buy it. So if you're interested in this little light, I will leave links for it down in the description of the video. I'm Brian Essick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.